Remedies presents Only One Ingredient, Get Instant Relief from Constipation. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple remedy to treat constipation and other stomach issues. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Constipation is one of the most common digestive problems in the United States, affecting around 2.5 million people. It is defined as having hard, dry bowel movements or going fewer than 3 times a week. Baking soda is a great solution of curing different stomach problems, and the top of the charts hit constipation. Let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: baking soda ½ teaspoon, lukewarm water 1/4 cup. Procedure: simply mix both the ingredients and consume the liquid as quickly as you can. It gives relief very quickly. Stay healthy and remember me in your prayers. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.